Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the start to finish process of how I laid this wig from Ishow hair. So please stay tuned if you're interested, and don't forget to subscribe down below and thumbs up if you do enjoy. Baby, don't you hesitate. So this unit is from Ishow hair. It is a 24-inch Brazilian straight full lace wig. And what I'm gonna do is bleach the knots, and what I'm using, of course, is all the bleaching stuff, you know. I'm pretty sure y'all know, hopefully y'all know, but that's that. And then I'm using my wig head. She's a little beat up, she's been through things, but she still gets the job done for now, so don't judge. So this is what the wig is looking like fresh out of the box. You guys see it has that natural black color, and the lace was looking a little to me, so I definitely had to bleach the knots. But the hairline does look pretty friendly to work with, not too crazy. So first things first, I'm turning the wig inside out, and what I'm going to do is spray some free spray on it. I heard that this helps the bleach not go through to the roots of the hair. Don't know if it's true, but I mean, my roots didn't get affected, so I'm guessing so. And then I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots of this wig. So after placing the bleach on the frontal, I'm just going to put some foil paper on top. This helps it process faster, and I'm setting a timer for 15 minutes. Of course, you can do less or more depending on your preference. And as soon as I washed the bleach out, I went ahead and dried the wig a little bit, and now I'm bleaching random sections. And the way I did this, I really did thin sections, and I didn't take large clumps because you don't want it to look like huge clumps of brown, you know. You kind of have to like place it wisely, but I'm no expert, so you guys can just kind of watch, because me trying to explain this is just gonna be horrible. So yeah. I've been really off when you ain't involved, got me wondering what you're thinking about. But just to explain a little bit, what I did was just grab different layers, and I really went in thin layers so that it would look like, you know, highlights, and it would fade in with the hair and not be huge clumps. And then as you guys see on the top, I kind of went diagonal with the brush and just added a whole bunch of bleach just to give it a scattered look, which you guys will see once the wig is all done. Alrighty, so after that, after washing all the bleach out, now I'm pinning it down and I'm getting ready to pluck. And I don't know if I'm the only person that hates plucking. I hate it so much, but the results are amazing, especially bleaching the knots and plucking. Like, your wig would just be laid. So even though it kind of is annoying, I definitely would recommend it if you want your wig to be like 100% laid. Yeah. 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 Alright, so now the hard part of the customizing is over. So I'm just laying my hair down, putting it into a little bun using some gorilla snot. I probably should have cornrows because this can definitely dry your hair out, but it's all Gucci because I'm bald head anyway, so yeah. This part right here is major key too. Please wipe your hairline with some alcohol, especially if you have makeup on or if you have oily skin. If you want your wig to be bonded with glue or gel or whatever you use for a long time, then you definitely want to wipe off your hairline. So now I'm just placing the wig, kind of testing where I want it on my hairline, and I like to cover up my forehead, so that thing is pretty low on my hairline. And then I'm placing the yellow got to be gel in a very light layer. That's another major key, y'all. Make sure that it's clear. Like, if you start to see white, then you have too much on. You can definitely build up the layers, but just make sure it's clear, and that's how your lace will really melt into your skin. Yeah. So this is the first time I've ever bonded my wig before cutting the lace, but I've seen people do it and their wigs came out really laid, so I tried it too. Personally, I still recommend doing it the old school way, you know, just cutting your lace first, but to each his own. I mean, it still came out good. So here I am, I'm just cutting my earpieces and stuff, and I always mess this part up, so when I did it right, I was so happy, as you guys would probably see right about now. Okay, now, there we go. When I move on, don't say I wish you could be with me, 'cause you hesitated. I just been off, I've been really off, So now I am cutting the lace, and I'm cutting kind of below the hairline, leaving some extra lace, you know, just so I can really perfect it eventually. So what I'm doing now is not like cutting it once and for all. I'm just kind of cutting the main piece, and then I'll go into detail, if you know what I mean. I know you're on your grind, but don't forget me, even though I'm busy always. So I use the eyebrow razor to cut side pieces, or not side pieces, sideburns. Oh my gosh. And then I also use it to cut the excess lace, which I did not show. And my goal was to not do baby hairs and still wear this unit, but y'all see this is like